Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, I will try to install MySQL and set up MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu operating system. So let's start the video. So let's open Ubuntu terminal and run system update command sudo apt update. This command will update our Ubuntu operating system. So our system is up to date. Now let's install MySQL server. So I will write sudo apt install MySQL-server. This will install the latest MySQL server present in the Ubuntu official repository. If you see the log, it says MySQL D is running with PID 16303. So I am able to install MySQL server. Now I will log into MySQL and will create a user. So sudo MySQL -u the user, which is root, -p for the password. Now you are inside MySQL with root user. Let's create a user. So this is the command to create the user. Example _user is the username, and the localhost means that user can only connect from the local machine where the MySQL server is installed. And password is the password for the example _user. Now I will give privileges to this new user. So this is the command. Now it's time to exit from MySQL server and install MySQL Workbench. So open your browser and go to mysql.com. Once you are over here, scroll down and you will see a download section, and at the bottom you see a link as MySQL Workbench. Click on MySQL Workbench. Over here, select your operating system, that is Ubuntu, and select the OS version. For us, it is 24.04. From here, you can download Debian package. So let's go ahead and download it. Once the download is completed, let's go to terminal and go to downloads folder. ls command to list the files. This is the Debian package which I have downloaded. So to install this package, I will write sudo apt install ./MySQL Workbench. Okay, so our workbench is installed. Open Apps menu and search for MySQL Workbench. As you can see, our local instance is already connected with root user. So let's remove it and connect with the user which we have created. So click on plus icon over here. Give the name to your connection. So I will give the name as example _user. And for the host name, it will be localhost. And our user is example _user. And for the password, click on store in keychain and enter your password. Click on test connection to test the connectivity. And yes, we are able to test the connection. Click on OK and then OK to save this connection. So our new connection is created. Now let's go inside the workbench using this connection. So you are inside the MySQL Workbench. Let's try to create a schema. So you can click on this icon and give the schema name as employee_db. This is the code which will be fired to create the employee schema. So click on apply and our employee_db is created. And if you change the view, here is our employee_db. Now let's create a table in this schema. So this is the command. Okay, my table is created. Now let's insert some records. So these commands will insert some records in employees table. If we want to see the records which are present in employees table, you can use this command to view the records. And these are the records which we have inserted. So this is how you can install MySQL Server and set up MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu operating system. So with this, I will wrap up today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.